Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in our podcast, and Hasib Khan is with us as he is the brand ambassador of PIA. आइए जरा इनसे बात करते हैं कि ऐसी क्या इनके अंदर मोटिवेशन है पीआईए को लेकर कि अपनी गाड़ी पूरी की पूरी इन्होंने पीआईए के स्टिकर से कवर करके रखी है। कैसे हैं हसीब आप?
Alhamdulillah, thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
लाइकवाइज कैसा फील कर रहे हैं? आज तीसरा दिन है आपका यहाँ पर और पीआईए के साथ आप एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर काम कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ अपने बारे में बताइए कि ये शौक कैसे पैदा हुआ?
Definitely. Since I was a kid, I loved PIA with all my heart. I can't even imagine, at what time I loved PIA and all that. At such a young age. My grandfather was with PIA. Most of my family was also with PIA. And, they loved that airline with all their heart. And for me, I just love, with all the stories that I've heard about the airline being such a positive aspect in Pakistan and around the world and all that, I had to say, there's only one way for me to, promote the airline, and is that to decorate my car and promote it in Canada and to show it around the world how much I love PIA.
I want to know that how PIA team contacted you for the brand ambassadorship. What was your journey behind this?
When I decorated my car, I actually posted and sent it to PIA. I tagged them on social media and I said, this PIA fan decorated this full car and with PIA stickers and all that. PIA ne phir unhone khas taur par, they posted it on their social media, and then it went viral around the whole world and around the internet and all that. So since then, that's how everyone knows me, as the PIA fan. So because of them, I'm very grateful that they promoted me as such a diehard fan, uh, and yeah, encouraging
So
me.
you are from Canada and you belongs to a Pakistani family.
That's correct.
So
Yes.
किस तरीके से पीआईए के साथ एक मोहब्बत हुई? मतलब आपके एंसेस्टर्स ऑलरेडी आई थिंक पीआईए में थे,
जी जी जी
तो
जी।
कुछ इनके बारे में बताइए, कैसे कनेक्टिविटी कैसे बनी?
असल में मेरे जब grandfather, he was born in Pakistan, but he left and went to England, and he worked for an airline called BOAC. British Airways से पहले BOAC था. So जब I believe in the 60s या 50s, जब नूर खान अपॉइंट हुए थे for PIA, उन्होंने ख़ास तौर पर उनको बुलाया था कि we want you to come to PIA, and because जो जहाज़ जो नए जंबो जेट जो इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं सारा, we want you to be in charge of that. So basically, his nickname was Dr. Rashid as a aeronautical engineer. So जो पहले DC-10 जहाज थे, A300 जहाज थे, he worked on these aircrafts and he was in charge of everything. I never met my grandfather, but every family member, all my cousins and all that, they say that his soul is in me because he loved PIA so much, and like I said, I love PIA with all my heart as well. So it's something that I can't even express with words. How much I love the airline.
Exactly. I can feel your emotions.
Yes.
How PIA is treating you?
PIA is treating me. I can't even imagine how much PIA is appreciating me. PIA has done so much for me. Most of the pictures and videos that I get in Toronto, I share with them and they post on their social media and all that. And they're very much, happy that, there's, a person that always grabs a video. I stand in all types of weather, in minus 30 degrees, in high winds, and hot weather, and like any types of, conditions in Toronto. And I dedicate all my time to, watch PIA, even on my off days at work and all that. I have to see PIA. It's my happiness. It's a very much big happiness for me.
I'm glad to hear that. Hasib, what would you like to say regarding the tourism industry here in Pakistan?
In Pakistan, me being here for the last 3 days, I see that tourism in Pakistan is very huge. And I think especially here with all different companies that are here together, around Pakistan, people can come and see, different aspects of the travel industry here, and they can get information and all that. Very helpful, very, very helpful. And I think it's very good in Pakistan that, there is this type of event. So people that need that information, like I said, so uh, I very much enjoyed it.
And what do you think being a Canadian, what do you think regarding the tourism industry in Canada?
In Canada, the tourism industry is very big, especially with the PIA flights directly from Toronto to Pakistan, always full flights, and there's so many Pakistani Canadians and everyone else. They want to travel back and forth to Canada and Pakistan, and because of that, I think it's huge. Because even in Canada, lots of people say that travel is not as big, but it's not that true. It is huge, and like I said, in Pakistan, it's very huge as well. And in Canada, I try to promote as much as I can for Pakistanis.
I'm so glad to hear that your journey and your love towards the PIA. That's nice. That's incredible. What would you like to say for this at the end? Any remarks for PTM Pakistan Travel Mart? How's your experience going so far?
I loved it. It's my first time being here at Travel Mart Expo in my life, and it was amazing. I think the best 3 days that I've ever had here in Karachi. So I very much enjoyed it, and I just want to thank PIA for inviting me all the way from Canada. They've been much supportive, and yes, it was such an amazing time.
I wish you will have a great time ahead in Pakistan.
Thank you
Thank you so much for coming in our podcast.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Likewise. Thank you.